Hello guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Databricks Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about how to delete duplicates using one of the function that is available in Databricks. So previously also we have seen couple of videos like how to delete duplicate records, like how to delete both the duplicates and how to delete single duplicate using partition by and as well as a group by functions. But there is one existing function in the Databricks, drop duplicates. So using that, how we are gonna do like delete the duplicates, and what is the main difference by like deleting duplicates using drop duplicates function as well as deleting duplicates using partition by or group by functions. So the major difference is, so okay, before going there, what I did is I have created one sample data frame here. So if you see here, there are two records I have added. One is Jennifer Blue and HR, which is also there here. But if you see, the IDs are different. 9 and 10, 9 and 11 are there. And similarly for Patrick Johnson, the salary is that salary is different and ID is also different. So previously what we have is, I just created this data frame. So for the timing, I will just execute these statements here. So now I will explain you what is the difference that we have done previously using group by and partition by. So previously in the partition by, what we did is, suppose if we want to delete duplicates using, if you want to delete duplicates of few columns, suppose there are employee name and department, right? So I want to delete the entire record if we have duplicates on employee name on department. So in that case, we will be using partition by or group by depending on the scenario. But if I want to delete entire record without specifying any condition, then I need to use drop duplicates function. So if you see here, now if I go directly and apply functionality on drop duplicates, and I will be storing that in some function drop df, and I'm displaying it for the time being, drop df. So if I execute this, what I will so here in the above data frame we have 12 records, and after dropping the duplicates also we have 12 records. If you see here, Jennifer Blue and HR, we have still that record available, and similarly Patricia Johnson finance belongs to the finance department also there. So there is no deletion of any duplicates happened here. But the same example, if we seen back in the partition by on group by, we have seen that there are duplicates with the employee name and department. So we deleted such type of records back there. But in this table, why these records didn't got deleted is, there are some mismatches between in one of the fields like employee ID. For one record we have 5, and for one other record we have something like 12, and also salary is also different in this case. So now I will just tweak the data frame here by updating Jennifer Blue data frame with employee ID 5, and salary is also same here. Sorry, it's not 5, it's 9, and for Patricia I am changing it to 5, and salary I am just copying the whatever the value that we have for a 5 employee ID, and I'm just pasting it here, and I'm reloading the data frame again. Now if you see, we have that entire record is same here. If you see here, the entire record is same as the 5th record. All the columns are same. Now I don't want to specify any condition. Directly by looking into this data, I want to remove the duplicates. In such type of cases, you need to apply drop duplicate functionality. So without specifying, without checking duplicates on a specific columns or something, specific data from the data frame, if you want to check the duplicates on the entire data frame or the entire records, then you will be using drop duplicates. So in this case, the 5th record and 12th record is the same. Similarly, 9th and 11th records are the same. Now if I run the drop duplicates, you won't be seeing those two, you won't be seeing those two records. So if you see here, we are not having any duplicate records. Among those two duplicate records, it will only pick one record and put it in the actual data frame. So because it will remove all the duplicated records and put it aside. So that's the advantage of these drop duplicates. So if you want to check the duplicates on the entire column or entire records, or in all if all columns values are the same, then you want to delete such type of records, then you are going to use drop duplicates functionality. So that's the advantage of drop duplicates, and that's the major difference between deleting duplicates using group by and partition by, and the deleting duplicates using drop duplicates functionality. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.